January is Human Trafficking Awareness Month, and next week, anti-trafficking advocates are coming together for the 2024 Anti-Trafficking Alliance Conference. This morning, we're joined by Christy Wells, the CEO of the Safe House Project, here to tell us all about it. Thank you so much for being here.
Glad to be here.
So you said this is the first year that you've done this here in Charlotte, and you're really seeing a lot of excitement surrounding it.
We really are. We've got people from 35 states that are coming in, so this isn't just North Carolina focused. It's really about mobilizing the nation to respond to human trafficking, and boy, are they showing up in force.
Absolutely. So before we get into the details of the conference, tell us a little bit about the Safe House Project.
Yeah, Safe House Project is a national anti-trafficking organization that works to increase victim identification by training individuals to spot, report, and prevent trafficking. We help survivors escape their trafficking situation and find them safe housing. And we help fund, mentor, and launch new safe homes across the United States. And we are the national certification agency to certify any program to make sure they're doing things the right way.
Absolutely. And so this conference, this is a two-day conference. What are people going to take away from this? I know you have a lot of different professionals who will be there.
Yeah, absolutely. We have a really wide range of different speakers. So it's really about first raising the lid on what we even believe is possible. If we don't believe that eradication is possible, we're never going to set our goals and our objectives to even start moving that direction. And so it's really about raising the lid on what we believe is possible and fostering trust and collaboration within the field. Right now, there's a lot of siloed responses with law enforcement or healthcare or NGOs, but it's really about bringing everybody together to respond to human trafficking collectively and really going on the offensive.
Absolutely. And so an opportunity for people to kind of learn what they can look out for. What kind of trainings will be offered?
Yeah, this is really the 2.0 training. This is really for those who have been in this work, who really want to say, okay, what's next? How do I take my law enforcement investigations, my response as a healthcare system, my responses as a judge or as a legislator, how do I take those to the next level and really start creating massive impact and change in this work and in this fight? So definitely for those who are more advanced in their response to human trafficking at this point.
Absolutely. And so who are some of the speakers that people can look out for?
Yeah, we have anything from a 3-star admiral who is going to be talking about how you can't win a war fighting on one front, to a major leadership author that is going to be coming in really helping to equip our leaders, to the Ambassador at Large for Counter-Trafficking in America, Ambassador Cindy Dyer from the State Department.
Wow, so a wide variety that are going to be at this conference. And I know last year I was able to go kind of behind the scenes and see the work you guys were doing with the HOPE training at Novant Health. For people who are not familiar, tell us a little bit about that and how that's going.
Yeah, so we developed a training with the Academy of Forensic Nursing and survivors of human trafficking to equip healthcare systems to understand how to spot, report, and prevent trafficking. And we developed it and rolled it out to Novant. They were the very first one in the nation to adopt it. And so right now they are still rolling this out throughout their system, equipping over 40,000 people to understand how to identify and respond to human trafficking in our communities.
Absolutely. So amazing. Okay. And so as for this conference, this is going to be happening next week. Tell us a little bit about where it's going to be and when.
Yeah, it's at the UNC Charlotte Marriott on January 24th and 25th. And it is sold out at this point, but if you give us a call, there might be a couple of people who aren't able to make it because of weather in the United States, so we might be able to get a couple more tickets in there. So you're welcome to join us.
Wonderful. Well, good luck with all of that, and thanks so much for joining us.
Of course, happy to be here.